Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add app to home screen on Android. So, if you find out that your favorite application is missing on the home screen, maybe the phone app, the message app, or any application of your choice, and now you want to add this particular application back to the home screen, this is what you need to do. Go ahead to the app scene. On the app scene, all you need to do is locate the application you want to add to your home screen. Press and hold it. Now, if you see pop-up, on the pop-up, locate and click on Add to Home Screen. So, Add to Home Screen. Once you click on Add to Home Screen, it's going to add a particular application to your home screen. If you press and hold the application, you will not be able to drag it to your home screen. So, the best way to do it is press and hold the application and then click on Add to Home Screen. So, that's it, and then you will be good. So, that is exactly how to add app to home screen on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.